Look at all these vectors everywhere. Look at all these. No. Okay, so we're supposed to find the component form and the magnitude. Component form and magnitude. Component form is just like kind of like naming the vector, and magnitude is the length of the vector. Look at this guy. There's a problem with him. His initial point, his starting point is not on the origin. So how dost thou findeth the component formeth? So like pretty much what you're trying to do is you're trying to figure out what would the component form be if that was the origin. If that was the origin, what would this point be? It wouldn't be 3, 5. What would it be? How would you do such a thing? I will tell you how you do such a thing. You find the change in x and you find the change in y, and that becomes your component form. Let's see. So what is a change in x? Let's see. I'm going to have to go, let's go 3 minus -1. So that's going to be 4. And what's a change in y? Let's see. We do that one. Let's go 5 minus -1. And that's a 6. And I don't trust myself, so I'm going to make sure that's right. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yay, it works. That is your component form. Haha. Okay, so what do you do next? Oh, we got to find our magnitude. To find our magnitude, that would be like doing the double line thing, putting those things where it's like a double absolute value. I guess that's what it looks like. All right, well, if you want to do that, we're going to use the Pythagorean theorem. I don't know if you see it. Do you guys see the right triangle right here? If you want to find the length of the hypotenuse, you just use the Pythagorean theorem. Now this is already found for us, the length of this. What is that? Quattro. And what's the length of that? 6. So we're going to go 4 squared plus 6 squared, and that's supposed to equal the hypotenuse squared, but we're just going to square root this to do that. So it's going to be 16 and 36, which would equal 42, 52. So we have 52 right here, square root of that. We can split that up with the perfect square. I know 4 goes into it. If I divide that by 4, I get 12. No, I get 13. Okay, which I can't simplify anymore. So we get 2 red, 13. Whoops. And that is the magnitude, the length of that vector.